Hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learn English. My name is Mike. Today we will do a short shadowing practice. Something you can do anytime. You can do this if you are busy. You can do this if you have only 5 or 10 minutes between work. You can do this while walking. You can do this while resting. You can even do this before going to sleep. So here is how it works. You listen and speak at the same time. You follow my voice. You repeat what I say. Do not worry about mistakes. Do not try to be perfect. Just speak with me. Let's begin. Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? Do you have a moment? Do you have a moment? I want to tell you something. I want to tell you something. I have a quick question. I have a quick question. Can we talk for a minute? Can I talk for a minute? I want to share something with you. I want to share something with you. It's nice to meet new people. It's nice to meet new people. I enjoy talking to others. I enjoy talking to others. I like learning about people. I like learning about people. Everyone has something interesting to say. Everyone has something interesting to say. I feel good today. I feel good today. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel positive. I feel positive. I feel ready for my day. I feel ready for my day. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel stressed. Sometimes I feel worried. Sometimes I feel worried. But it is okay. But it is okay. These feelings are normal. These feelings are normal. Everyone feels this way sometimes. Everyone feels this way sometimes. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel tired, I rest. When I feel stressed, I breathe deeply. When I feel stressed, I breathe deeply. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel worried, I slow down. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. When I feel sad, I talk to someone. Talking helps me understand my feelings. Talking helps me understand my feelings. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be kind to myself. I try to be patient. I try to be patient. Can you help me with this? Can you help me with this? I need a little help. I need a little help. I'm not sure what to do. I'm not sure what to do. Can you explain it to me? Can you explain it to me? Can you show me how to do it? Can you show me how to do it? I didn't understand that part. I didn't understand that part. Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please? Could you speak a little slower? Could you speak a little slower? I need more time to think. I need more time to think. Can you give me an example? Can you give me an example? Thank you for your help. Thank you for your help. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate it. That was very kind of you. That was very kind of you. Thanks for taking the time. Thanks for taking the time. You made my day better. You made my day better. I'm grateful for your support. I'm grateful for your support. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for being patient. Thank you for being patient. I am learning English every day. I am learning English every day. I practice a little every morning. I practice a little every morning. I'm learning step by step. I'm learning step by step. Learning a language takes time. Learning a language takes time. It takes patience. It takes patience. It takes practice. It takes practice. It takes consistency. It takes consistency. But I can do it. But I can do it. I believe in myself. I believe in myself. I am making progress. I am making progress. Every day I get a little better. Every day I get a little better. Small steps lead to big results. Small steps lead to big results. I will not give up. I will not give up. I will keep practicing. I will keep practicing. Okay, my friends. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. You did an amazing job. Shadowing is simple, but it is really powerful. Come back tomorrow. Practice again. Grow again. Remember, even 5 minutes of practice every day can change your English completely. Keep going. Keep believing in yourself. I'm Mike, and this is Learn English. Until next time, keep practicing, keep learning, and keep growing. Goodbye, my friends. You're doing great.